Hey, to set alarm clock on your Android phone, first you have to open the app drawer and locate your clock. In my case, it appears right here. Then we have to switch to the alarm, and as you can see, I've got two default alarms. So for example, I want to customize this one. So first I have to turn it on by tapping on the switcher and then click on this arrow to open more settings. So first we can pick the repeat. So for example, I want to be this alarm to only be activated on Monday. Then I can change the ringtone of this alarm by going right here. I can also use the streaming services. So if you want to get your favorite music to be played, you can open the YouTube Music and then select this song. But let's do this from the standard music that we have on our device. For example, this one. So select and then go back. You can also toggle on and off the vibration, and you can even set the Google Assistant routine by tapping right here and set up this everything step by step right here. But actually that's not necessarily. And as you can see right now, our alarm is turned on. And if you wonder how to change the hours and the minutes, basically the time of your alarm, just click on it. And here we can switch between AM and PM, and you can set your time for the alarm. Then click OK. And as you can see, right now it's finished, and that's the notification. Take a look when I turn it on. Notification that alarm set for 6 days, 5 hours and 15 minutes from now. So yeah, that's all, bye bye.